Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Carococo Coffee Roasters. And today I'm gonna tell you how to dial in a perfect espresso. So this is our morning ritual. Every day I used to come into my cafe. I calibrate my machine. Calibration is basically to make sure that your espresso is coming within the time of around 30 seconds. Need to set your grinder if in case it is not coming. Need to understand the dosage and all. So calibration is the most important part. So before calibration, let's dial in an espresso and see how we are getting our shot. So this is our portafilter. I have taken almost 17 grams coffee, and this is our dosing ring. I'll be using WTT to make sure there should be no clumps. We have to use, this is how we use WDT. It makes sure that there is no channeling in your espresso. It breaks all the clumps which are there in the grounded coffee. I'll use leveler or distributor to flatten my coffee grounds. So this is how it looks like now. And then we'll use this tamper to gently press my puck. I'll be using weight scale to calculate the time and the dose. Here you go. See, we'll start the timer. As you can see, we are measuring our espresso and the time.